Hey guys, back with another video. Today we are gonna be going and experiencing the new map. Let's go straight into it. We have this good stuff. Wait, I'm gonna hold on. I don't know why that was there and this is the wrong one. Let's go. So, I already checked a little bit out. You push this button right here, then it will sound like it's coming down. Can't see it up there, but as soon as it stops, you know it's open. Just come over here and push that button. Then it will take you to this map. Okay, and you can turn off your light, and this is where the office lady is. But this is like the security guard office lady. Okay, yeah. I don't care. Anyways, guys. My bad, guys. Was he eating something? I was up here in this level. Okay, these are called levels. If you didn't know. Now you just come over here, push that button right there. And then right here is where I almost killed him, but I lost my stuff right here. Okay, this. Ow! Oh god! No. Yo, bro. Bro, stop. And uncle? Yes. You can kill him. Okay, gotta hurry. Pretty sure. Here goes the next level. Here goes the next level. Mm-hmm. Oh. Stop! No. Come here. Easy money. Oh. Oh, shut that up! Here goes the next. I do not know what happens if like I do not know what happens if you fall down here, so okay, like I thought, this is not the loading screen for last mining update. Right now, time to go back up. This one take me. With including all the stuff I got. don't work. So time to see how much money and stuff. More way. Pretty sure I just go back this way. How do you know I'm over here? Oh, he's right there. Don't! Yep, it's time for him to go. Yep. How? I killed him! I don't know, guys. I don't know how that happened. But yeah, let's go get our stuff back. Okay, I'm not going through all of that stuff again. We're doing this. We're gonna blind the f out of them. Let's go. Gotta go. And you would hear like, time it right. Ah. Okay. Little unfair though. I wonder if this light can like. Okay, we're going in here secretly. Move. Move. I didn't bring a weapon. It's still here. Oh, we're going back. I should have just died, honestly. I can't get my stuff unless I die. I don't know if you guys know, but if you go back like this, you're able to go back in this way. I don't know if this is able to work, but move, move, move. Move, move, move. Okay. Hey guys, I know I haven't been talking to you lately because I was trying to think this through. So I just thought about coming back and almost probably ending the video. I don't know what I should do, but seems like I actually have to bring stuff. And if I don't, honestly, I'm just cooked. So I have a lot of this stuff that this hook shot I gathered from someone, and like basically I stole it. So we're gonna do this. Okay, we're gonna turn this on. Hey guys, this video can't be long because I'm gonna have to go like eat my dinner. I had to bring weapons, but not a back. I guess I'm gonna get another weapon or something. Gotta hurry, I gotta hurry. Never mind, I'm chilling. Hello? Wait, hold on. Okay, guys. I'm gonna have to call it right there. It was just the update. There's the update. Peace out.